Meanwhile, Liangmai Naga Council Manipur has strongly condemned the alleged use of excessive force by Rapid Action Force and other security personnel against peaceful protesters at Namdilong. The council claimed that 4 civilians were seriously injured after security personnel allegedly used tear gas and other dispersal measures. In a press release, the council said the protesters were exercising their democratic rights while demanding justice over the alleged killing of 6 Naga individuals and 2 Lanka villagers. The injured were identified as Wikon Liu, 36, wife of Fengrongwi Wilobo, 33, son of Masingbo, Junwibo, son of Paujingbo, and Masingwangbo, 44, of Makhan. The council termed the alleged action disproportionate and demanded immediate release of detained villagers, impartial investigation, legal action against those responsible, and adequate medical assistance for the injured. It also said peaceful dissent should not be met with coercion and announced that it would continue its democratic agitation until the demands under the UNC Charter are met.